Hi, I'm Sarah Pike, and I am the owner of Topsail Farm here in Waldoboro, Maine. We are a magical spot on 83 acres on the Madomic River, and I think our whole purpose for being here is to provide a place for folks to come, connect with nature, connect with themselves, and maybe have a good meal or two along the way. We offer so many things here at Topsail Farm, a real wide range of offerings and textured events for people to come and enjoy our space in different ways. Each year we offer about 15 weddings, give or take, and love being a spot where friends and family can come and celebrate lovebirds in our special spot. We're a bit of a one-stop shop for a wedding venue because we offer the culinary services, bar and beverage, and lodging for about 50 people, which makes it super easy. And we are firm believers in joyful wedding planning so that you can come and enjoy and relax and not get super stressed out along the way. So we're here in the farmhouse, one of my favorite spaces here at Topsail Farm. Beautifully renovated, spacious, and just really simple, beautiful space to be with your friends and family. We have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and just lots of space to spread out while you're getting ready for your event, while you need a place for a nap during your event. But in general, just a really gorgeous spot, and we're so happy to share it with all of our Topsail guests. Couples coming to Topsail really kind of use the space in their own vision, and there have been a million ways how events come together. One of the more common uses of this beautiful space that we're in right now is to have the ceremony back here by our almost always well-behaved sheep, and a beautiful processional from the farmhouse down to your guests. We can fit about 130 people down here on this flat lawn space with this gorgeous apple tree in the background. There really are several ceremony spots here on Topsail Farm, and we're happy to show you those when you come for a visit. So now I'm going to show you one of the most adorable spots on the farm is our little farm cottage. Come on in. So the farm cottage is just steps away from the farmhouse and really perfect for a close family member or some part of the wedding party to come and spend the weekend. 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, adorable little stove, and full kitchen. It makes it a really nice spot to have as part of your wedding weekend. The lodging is, of course, at the heart of what we offer here and what makes a stay at Topsail Farm so unique in our space. In addition to the beautiful farmhouse and farm cottage and cider house, we have 11 beautiful, really cute woodland cabins that are more proudly on the end of camping than the glamping that has become popular in years past. These cabins are tucked away in the woods. There's no electricity, but do share a common bathhouse, and our guests enjoy the simplicity and being here in the mid-coast in accommodations that allow them to rest and recharge. And of course the cider house, which is about 1.5 miles down the road from our Maine farm property. The cider house is a 4-bedroom, really rambling, beautiful additional farmhouse that if you would desire to have it as part of your weekend package, we can absolutely include that space. Lots of beds, lots of space to roam, just a beautiful extra lodging for your group. If you are interested in learning about what we're doing here at Topsail Farm, we are so eager to have a conversation with you, and we can continue to co-author this experience together.